Hello, young drivers. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the intricate world of car insurance and financial responsibility. The road ahead might seem complex, but it is laden with crucial knowledge and insights that will guide you through your driving experiences. In our quest for comprehending car insurance, we'll delve deep into the numerous factors that determine how much you pay, including your age, driving history, and the type of car you drive. We'll demystify financial responsibility, exploring topics like liability coverage, collision protection, and comprehensive insurance, each intricately interwoven into the fabric of your driving life. We'll also touch upon ways to lower your insurance premiums, offering handy tips and tricks that can help you find the best rates available. And don't worry, we'll be right there with you, breaking down the jargon into understandable, bite-sized pieces. Understanding these aspects is crucial for maintaining a safe and legal driving experience. Let's start by breaking down the different types of car insurance coverage. Our journey into this intricate world starts with liability coverage. As the name suggests, liability coverage is primarily designed to protect you if you're found at fault in an accident. It shoulders the financial burden of the other party's damages, ensuring that you aren't left out of pocket after an unfortunate event. It's a vital type of insurance that serves as your financial safeguard when you inadvertently cause harm to another person or their property while driving. Next, we delve into collision coverage. This type of insurance is your personal defender, stepping in when your own vehicle suffers damage as a result of a collision. Whether it's a fender bender in a parking lot or a major crash on the highway, collision coverage comes into play to help pay for your vehicle's repair costs. It's like a knight in shining armor, ensuring that your car can get back on the road as quickly as possible, even after a harsh accident. Moving forward, let's uncover comprehensive coverage. A wider safety net, this coverage is responsible for taking care of damages caused by non-collision incidents. It might be hard to imagine, but there's a staggering array of events that can damage your car outside of collisions. Examples include theft, vandalism, fire, hail, flood, and other natural disasters. Essentially, comprehensive coverage is like an all-weather friend, protecting your vehicle from the unpredictable twists and turns of life. Finally, but not least, the uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. As the name implies, this type of coverage provides protection if you're involved in an accident with a driver who isn't insured or doesn't carry enough insurance. It's like a safety net that catches you when the unexpected happens. If the other party cannot cover the costs, your uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage steps in, shielding you from financial hardship. Knowing these options will help you make informed decisions when selecting insurance. Understanding the unique benefits and protections offered by each type of coverage is the first step towards choosing the insurance plan that suits your specific needs and circumstances. Now, let's talk about the factors that influence insurance premiums. Insurance is a game of risk assessment. The higher the risk of an incident occurring, the higher the cost of insuring against it. The first factor that you might think of is your driving record. This is a record of your history on the road. You had any accidents, any traffic violations? Insurance companies take a close look at this to help them gauge how likely you are to file a claim in the future. Next, we consider vehicle type. Is your car a brand new sports car or a used minivan? The make, model, age, and safety features of your vehicle can greatly influence your insurance costs. More expensive cars tend to cost more to insure, and cars with high safety ratings may cost less. Your geographic location is another crucial factor. People living in areas with a high of theft or accidents may find their insurance premiums are higher. In contrast, those in quieter, safer neighborhoods may enjoy lower rates. Lastly, your age is taken into account. Generally speaking, younger and older drivers are seen as more risky to insure and therefore often face higher premiums. Understanding these factors will empower you to take steps to lower your insurance costs. It's important to know the legal requirements for car insurance and financial responsibility in your jurisdiction. Understanding these rules can be a daunting task, but an essential one. The laws vary significantly from one place to another, meaning what is required in one area may not be necessary in another. It's not just about adhering to these laws, but also understanding why they are in place. These laws exist to protect both you and other drivers on the road. They ensure that in case of an accident, the financial doesn't fall heavily on any one party. Compliance with these laws is not merely a legal obligation, but it's also about taking responsibility for your actions. The regulations stipulate the minimum amount of insurance coverage you must have, which typically includes liability insurance for bodily injury and property damage. The precise requirements can vary, so it's worth researching and understanding the specifics for your area. Remember, driving without the necessary insurance is not only illegal, but can also lead to severe consequences. This could include fines, a revoked driver's license, or even jail time in some jurisdictions. The bottom line is, complying with these laws is not only crucial for avoiding penalties, but it also ensures that you're adequately protected in case of an accident. So make sure you're familiar with the specific requirements in your area. Next, let's discuss deductibles and coverage limits. To put it simply, a deductible is the monetary amount you, as the policyholder, will be responsible for paying before your insurance company begins to chip in. It's like a threshold that needs to be crossed before you start seeing the benefits of your policy. Imagine you have a deductible of $500 on your car insurance policy, and unfortunately you get involved in an accident that results in $2,000 worth of repairs. In this case, you'll have to bear $500, and the insurance company will cover the remaining $1,500. Deductibles can vary in amount, and choosing the right one is a strategic decision. The more the deductible, the less your insurance premium tends to be. However, this also means you'll need to have more money set aside in case you have to make a claim. On the other side of the coin are coverage limits. These are defined by your policy and signify the amount your insurance company will pay for a claim. For instance, if your policy has a limit of $10,000 for property damage and you incur $12,000 worth of damage, the insurance company will only cover up to $10,000. You'll have to handle the additional $2,000 yourself. Selecting coverage levels is akin to walking a tightrope. You must balance your current financial capacity with the potential future risks you might face. Think carefully about these aspects when deciding on a deductible and coverage limit. Balancing your current budget with potential risk is a delicate art. It's essential to select appropriate coverage levels based on your needs and financial capabilities. In the unfortunate event of an accident, it's of utmost importance to have a clear understanding of the claim process and the method of reporting it to your insurance company. It can be a stressful time, but staying informed can help you navigate it more effectively. The process of claiming insurance may seem complex with its numerous steps and procedures, but its essence is simple and straightforward. First, it's pertinent to be aware of the basic steps that form the backbone of any claim process. From the moment the accident occurs, each step plays a vital role in the successful processing of your claim. This begins with the immediate reporting of the accident to the relevant authorities, followed by collection and organization of necessary evidence and information related to the accident. Then comes the step of contacting your insurance company. It is imperative to promptly report the accident to your insurer and provide them with all the necessary details. This could include the accident report, photographs of the damaged vehicle or property, medical reports if there were any injuries, and any other relevant documentation. Doing so not only expedites the claim process, but also ensures that nothing is missed out or forgotten. Subsequently, your insurance company will guide you through the rest of the process, which may include an inspection of the damage and assessment of your claim. This is where understanding the steps involved becomes beneficial. It helps you stay prepared and ensures you have all the necessary information and documentation ready to present when required. In conclusion, while dealing with an accident can be disconcerting, having in-depth knowledge about the claim process, the steps involved, and proper documentation can significantly smooth out the claims process. Understanding the steps involved and having the necessary information and documentation ready will ensure a smooth claims process. To wrap up, let's summarize the key points we've covered in depth. We've delved into the world of car insurance and the crucial role it plays in providing financial security, particularly for young, inexperienced drivers who might find themselves at greater risk on the road. We drill down into the complexities of different insurance policies and highlighted the significance of understanding the details, the fine prints, and potential loopholes to ensure maximum protection for you and your prized vehicle. We've emphasized the importance of seeking advice from seasoned insurance professionals. These experts offer insights and guidance that can help you navigate the sometimes confusing world of insurance policies. They provide tailored advice that aligns with your specific circumstances and needs, enabling you to make the most informed decisions possible. Remember, the primary purpose of this video is to equip young drivers with valuable, practical, and comprehensive information. We aim to help them navigate the vital car-related topics that often perplex novices, demystifying complex terms and concepts, thereby empowering them to make wise and informed decisions. We strive to promote safe, responsible, and confident driving, one that respects the lives of drivers and pedestrians alike. Furthermore, we hope to instill a sense of responsibility, not only towards their own safety, but also towards the larger community. Responsible driving isn't just about protecting oneself, it's about contributing to a safer, smoother, more orderly traffic environment for all road users. And don't forget to make the background music professional. Use a male voice with a New Yorker accent for the voiceover.